Hi everyone, welcome back to another yarn. This is incredible. I am actually showing you a project I'm currently working on. This is a shawl, it's a prayer shawl, but I am using Skinny Cakes. This is Caron Skinny Cakes. It's a really, really beautiful yarn. I like it. In comparison to the mandala yarn, I think I would probably go with this because it builds really well. It's 8.8 ounces, which is quite a lot, and it's 795 yards, 727 meters. It's 100% acrylic yarn, but the colorway is really, really beautiful. I would never have put these two colors together, these two, and then of course the transition into a light purple and then the oranges. I mean, it is really beautiful. The first set right there in the center that I started with previously, this is the second skein I'm using currently, but this is what one skein gave me. It pretty much gave me an entire shawl. This is a size medium, small to medium, but I'm making a large and extra large because my clientele normally likes the large and extra larges. But I thought I would share with you this yarn. If you do not have it, get one and try and work. I mean, one skein will give you an entire project. You can make a full shawl with just one skein. However, the pattern I'm using does consume a lot of yarn, and that's why. Otherwise, if you're using it for a simple shawl without one of those yarn guzzling patterns like this one, you'll realize that you only need one skein to complete a full shawl and to make a scarf as well. There are different colorways, of course. This one here is called Birthday Cake. I love it because of the oranges and the reds. I love bright colors, as you've noticed. I do love bright colors. They really have a way of, picking you up on cooler days, on rainy days, on bad days, mood swings. You mentioned it, and the bright colors will make your day much better. So grab one of these. They're available at Michael's. They used to be available at Joann Fabrics, but Michael's has taken over Joann Fabric inventory, so you will find they have these there. You can get it in different colors. As you can see, one skein will give you an entire scarf. So you need, it says you need 2 balls for this scarf, but depending on the scarf, this scarf, of course, must be a mega scarf. But one skein will give you a full scarf, and I already made a scarf. However, I am making a shawl. I'm working on a tutorial for this shawl, so my next upload, we will be working on this particular shawl. It's a prayer shawl. It's pretty simple. It takes up quite a bit of yarn because it has puff stitches in between. It's pretty light, and it, as you can see, it's pretty lacy. But I did use this yarn, and I thought I would share with you. You can make a sweater from it, just about any project you want. It is a 3 light, but it really works almost like a 4. I've not had any issues with my hook sizes. I normally use a 5mm hook for all of my 4 plies, and I have been using a 4mm for the 3, and it's working out beautifully. However, if you're going to be making a project, always default to the recommended hook size unless otherwise. But it's a 3 light, as I mentioned. If you're looking at measurements, it's a 10 by 10 centimeters and a 4 by 4 if you're if you're knitting. If you're crocheting, it's pretty similar, 10 by 10 centimeters and 4 by 4 inches. That is the gauge for it. It's machine washable and dryable. It's pure acrylic, 100%, 250 grams, 8.8. Caron Cakes, again, Michael's has it. I sell some of these in my shop, but not this particular color. No, wait a moment. I think I have this particular color in my shop, so you can get one from there. But if you Google too, you'll find that there are different vendors that sell it. On Etsy, there are a few shop owners that sell it as well. So I thought I would share this with you. This here, I can't remember where I got this pattern from, but I've been working on a few of these. I have like 4 of these prayer shawls going. I had some requests from my online church. And I'm sending about 4 different ones. And I started working on one using cotton. I posted that in a short this morning. If you're looking at my channel shorts, there'll be one that I'm working on using cotton. However, this shawl builds up really fast. I made this here in 3 hours. So in 4 hours, I should finish it. It's not something I'm used to. Normally I'm faster. So I make a full shawl in about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the pattern. This one here, I completed the entire skin in 3 hours. So I'm at the tail end of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting fringes on this or not. But if you're using the skinny cakes, particularly this one, you're going to need 1 full skein and a half to work on the prayer shawl I'm working on here. I will be sharing the tutorial in my next upload, but this one here is for the yarn recommendation. I think I have, let me see if I have a different color here. Yes, I do have different colors. All right, so this is a birthday cake, but I do have it in also, let's see what color this one is. I believe these are in my shop. So if you haven't visited my shop, click on the shop link in the description box. This one is Citron Fits. And then I do have this one here. And this one is Spectrum. I do love the Spectrum too. I'm not going to be making any projects on this. These I am selling actually. And then of course this one here. Oh my goodness, look at that. This one is the color Melon Smoothie. Whoa. It is definitely beautiful. Look at that. I think I would love to have a project for this one. This is the only one I have. And I believe it's in my shop. Let's see. No, I have 2 of these for sale. So if you do want to try working on this particular shawl, you can grab the yarn from my shop. I have 2 of these, 1 of each of these, and I believe there's 2 of these. But stop by the shop, see what you can grab. You're going to need 1.5 of these to work on this prayer shawl, and my next upload will have a tutorial on how to crochet this prayer shawl here. For now, take a look at the Caron Skinny Cakes. They're really good. The yardage is pretty generous. They retail, I believe, for $12.99 or $13. But some of the colors have been discontinued and they have some newer colors. And they're also bringing different kinds of cakes now. So they might be discontinuing some of these. I haven't seen a lot of these online. But then again, I haven't been looking. They've been discontinuing a lot of the different cakes and bringing in newer cakes. So take a look at that. Anyway, if you like this video or this yarn recommendation, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and welcome if you're new to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I'm always grateful. Let's continue giving me thumbs up. Comment below. Visit the shop. I'm also on social media. In the description box, you'll find the different links to my social media, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my what else is over there? Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. There we are. So all of my social media links are there. And of course, we are on YouTube. So go ahead and hit that like button. Leave me a comment below. Share with your friends and family. I'm looking for more subscribers. I am not sponsored. Yarnspiration actually sponsors a few YouTubers that I have seen, but I'm not looking for sponsorship. I just love their yarn. I do love Yarnspiration, but one of my favorite yarns of all times come from Lion Brand. I do use a lot of Lion Brand yarns, so they have a much wider variety. So anyway, these are beautiful yarns. So if you find yourself working with this, make a shawl or a poncho, whichever you want to make, but the yarn is beautiful. The yardage is great. The price is good. I have a few of the discontinued colors in my shop, so my pricing is going to be a little different. But do grab one, you will not regret it. It's quite amazing and it's good to work with. It's not that thin, but if you're not used to working with 3-weight, it might be a challenge. You're going to need to use a smaller hook size. I believe this one, the hook that is recommended is a 4mm hook, but you can use a 4.25. Those are more easier to find, or a 3.75. But like I said, for this here, I have used a 5mm hook and it works just fine, and there's no issues with my shawl. Okay, this is a summer prayer shawl, but you can use it for winter, spring, or all year round. It builds beautifully. Okay, so without much ado, this is a yarn recommendation for you. This is not a tutorial video, but a recommendation for the yarn. I think you will love this yarn. This is Yarnspiration's Caron Skinny Cakes. All right. I will see you in my next video. Have a great one.